In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're working on a comprehensive project or sending out personalized designs, mastering mail merge can streamline your workflow immensely. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once you're in, locate the text tool, usually represented by a T icon on the left toolbar. Clicking this will enable you to insert text anywhere on your canvas. Go ahead and type in your sample text or labels, which will act as placeholders for your actual data. For illustrative purposes, try to repeat this step at least 3 times, so you have a few samples to work with. Next, you'll move your attention to the top menu and click on Window. Scroll down and select Variables from this list. Doing so will bring up a pop-up window that is crucial for the mail merge process. Now, with this pop-up open, click directly on one of your texts in the canvas. Then, in the Variables pop-up, look for the option labeled Make Text Dynamics, usually at the bottom, and click it. Repeat this for each of your text samples to ensure they're all set as variables. The next step involves your data source. For this, you'll need a CSV file. If you don't have one ready, create it now on your computer. In the header row of your CSV file, make sure to type in the names of the variables you just defined in Illustrator. Below these headers, fill out the remaining cells with the actual data you want to appear in your design. Once your CSV file is prepared, return to Adobe Illustrator. Focus again on the variables pop-up you opened earlier. Look for a small hamburger icon, typically 3 horizontal lines, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the option titled Load Variable Library. This action will prompt you to browse your computer, so navigate to where your CSV file is stored and select it. With your CSV file linked to Illustrator, you can now switch between different datasets quite easily. In the Variables pop-up, locate the Datasets drop-down menu. This menu allows you to cycle through the data entries contained within your CSV file, updating your Illustrator canvas automatically based on the selection. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to performing a mail merge using Adobe Illustrator. By incorporating these steps into your workflow, you can efficiently design personalized items that pull directly from your data source. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!